Welcome back to another exciting video where we bring you the boldest and most powerful machines hitting the roads. If you're a fan of raw power, next-gen features, and iconic design, you're going to love what we're diving into today. The 2026 Hummer H2 is here, and it's nothing short of a beast reimagined. Gone are the days of the old gas-guzzling image. This new version is smarter, stronger, and yes, fully electric. Hummer has embraced the future without losing its legendary muscle. Right off the bat, the exterior commands attention. With an aggressive stance, rugged body lines, and signature lighting that stretches across the front, the H2 looks ready to conquer any terrain. The full white paint option makes it look even more futuristic and bold. The grille is illuminated, giving it that unmistakable presence whether it's day or night. Underneath that tough shell, it packs some serious tech. Powered by GM's Ultium battery platform, the 2026 Hummer H2 delivers up to 850 horsepower with an insane torque rating that launches this massive SUV from 0 to 60 in just about 3.8 seconds. That's supercar performance wrapped in a military-grade body. This H2 isn't just about speed. It's a true off-road warrior. With adaptive air suspension, crab walk mode, and four-wheel steering, it glides through rough terrain like it's nothing. Whether you're climbing rocks, plowing through snow, or cruising the city streets, this Hummer is built to perform without compromise. Step inside, and it's a high-tech command center. The cabin blends luxury and functionality. You get a massive 13.4-inch infotainment display, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and a futuristic control layout that feels like you're piloting something out of a sci-fi movie. Premium leather, contrast stitching, and ambient lighting complete the upscale feel. Range anxiety? Not a problem. The H2 offers an estimated 350 miles on a full charge, and with fast charging, you can recover up to 100 miles in just 12 minutes. That makes it not only powerful but also practical for everyday driving. Safety and convenience aren't left behind either. Expect features like Super Cruise for hands-free driving on compatible roads, advanced driver assist systems, 360-degree cameras, and a heads-up display that keeps everything in your line of sight. The 2026 Hummer H2 is more than just a comeback. It's a statement. A fully electric monster that combines heritage with innovation. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who just wants to turn heads, this SUV delivers on all fronts. That's it for today's look at the 2026 Hummer H2. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more of the world's boldest rides, be sure to stick around. This is where horsepower meets high tech. See you in the next one.